Hello and welcome, this is Jeff Hughes. This is my assignment 3, match 3 of the Shiny update. In this assignment we were given 5 objectives. The first one was to implement time additions on matches. So every time you actually got a match, depending on how many tiles was in that match, you got a second added to your timer. The second requirement was to ensure that level 1 starts with just simple flat blocks, so none of the actual extra patterns such as the triangles or the crosses, etc., will be on those. And the next requirement was to create shiny versions of the blocks. So as these tiles came up, they had a shiny feel to them, and effectively if you did have them on your match, then it would destroy the whole row regardless if they matched or not. So if you had 3 shiny or even 1 shiny tile, the whole row or column would go, effectively giving you an extra 8 seconds for each row or column. The next requirement was to only allow swapping when it results in a match. So if there's no matches available, then it'd reset the actual tiles, but if you got to the point where there are no more matches at all, then it just restart that level with the score. And the final requirement was actually optional, and that was to be able to do the matches using the mouse, which I must say was a lot of fun trying to get working, but I'm pleased to say I believe I've done that all. So I'm now just going to press the return key and start the game, and using the mouse, as you can see, I'm just going to go around. So first one is just to show you if you implement a simple match. So there's a match here, there's 2 normal and then there's a shiny. So I'm just going to select that using the mouse, and as you see, the whole row went and I got an extra 8 seconds. You could probably see that on the right hand side there. Just to see if there's any more to demonstrate, and again, here's some more shiny tiles. So again, it should take that whole row out. So 36 seconds plus 8, there you go. It took us back up to the 40s. So that proves that it's working. The other thing now to point out is this is level 1. And as you can see, as level 1, all the blocks are flat, plain, coloured. So next requirement I think I've already taken care of, which was the shiny updates. As you could see from what I've just done, they actually worked. So I'll do it one more time. Thankfully, I've managed to reach the target, and as you're just seeing there, it went level 2 twice, and the reason is because there was no matches, so therefore it's actually automatically restarted with hopefully some matches. So I'll just show you now an example of, I've got no matches there, so regardless if it's horizontally or vertically, that's effectively that resetting. And as you saw, when I did restart that level, then it actually put level 2 twice because effectively it didn't have any matches, therefore it just respawned it. Okay, final point is really to do with the mouse. Now the mouse itself is as you can see, I'm just using my mouse and spinning it around, as you can see, for selecting, and using the on mouse button press made it a lot easier. So taking the keyboard, whoop, I'm on a countdown here, so I think that's about to finish the game. I'll just okay, so hopefully that clarified everything there. The assignment itself was quite challenging because obviously the ability to check if there are any swaps basically came from looking to the right or up or down or to the left, and using that in conjunction with the calculate matches, I was able to actually achieve that requirement. So yep, another good one, and I'll say thank you very much.